What is up, YouTube? It is Dark Beauty 982.5 coming to you live, and today I'm going to basically be showing you like my nail polish organization, also like a hack that you can use if you don't have somewhere to put your nail polish. So my nail polish is what is behind me, which is why I'm filming over here today, because I kind of just want to show you all my organization and a certain hack that I did to have my nail polish in here, and we're just gonna get right into the video. This is just gonna be a short video where I kind of show you what I did to keep all my nail polishes organized. So the first thing that I want to show you is what I have for my nail polish organizer. I keep saying it, for my nail polish organizer. So basically I took a hanging shoe rack. If y'all know what that is, basically it's one of these. Y'all can see it right here. So basically you're supposed to put shoes in here and it kind of organizes your shoes, but it's a hanging one. It's not like, not when you set on the ground or you just set your shoes up. So I mostly use it for just my summer sandals, because like my boots can't fit in here. Even if I did put a gym shoe in there, only one could fit in there. So it really wasn't that useful to me as a shoe organizer anyway, which is why I didn't come up with it, but I'm pretty sure somebody else did it, but I didn't look at nothing to get this idea. I just was like, hey, this will work. So basically what I have up here is a door wall hanger. So usually people would put like coats, robes, stuff like that up there, but instead, since my shoe organizer had holes in it, I hung this up, and I'm pretty sure before. So instead of having my shoes in there, I just organized my nail polishes, and that is what I have here. So I put the bottom. So the last two rows are not filled because I just stopped really being interested in nail. Like most of this stuff is probably like, you know how nail polish gets after you haven't used it in a long time. That's how most of this stuff is, because I just started going to the shop and getting my nails done. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of just walk through some of the things. Just a couple of pockets, because most of them is just basic and self-explanatory. They're just color coded. But the first two pockets right here is just like my trash bag. So I usually just take old shopping bags and then put in my trash can, but this is a good place to have them so they're not just on the floor. So I put those in here. And then this pouch is just my nail accessories, or just any type of accessory. So I have a nail clipper in there. I have a couple rubber bands in there. I have the manicure kit that I did a review on in there. I have a eye pencil, not an eye pencil, but I have a eyebrow razor in there. So just a couple of beauty things that I keep in there, mostly pertaining to nails though, even though my stock did get low since I stopped being kind of interested in like doing my own nails. But then everything else is basically organized by colors. So I have my blacks right here. I have my pinks. Yeah, I have my blacks right here. I have my pinks right here. And I'll come a little closer so that y'all can see some stuff. So yeah, I just have a variety of colors. My favorite pocket being this pocket. And that is where I keep all my glitter. So I'll take a couple of them out and show you. Oh my gosh. I just dropped a gold glitter, but I just have a whole bunch of glitters. This one is in Wet n Wild Mega Blast glitter. I got the glitter that you use for like your decoration on your nails, and then I have a OPI, but the Nicole brand, or like her little whatever. So that is actually my favorites. And then also I actually have a favorite like a favorite section in here. So these are just like all my favorite nail polishes, the one that I use the most or bought like seconds of. So I'm gonna just show a couple of unique ones in here. So these are some of my favorite ones. This is just a Sally Hansen no chip top coat, and this was like my favorite top coat to use besides the fast drying top coat. And then I have a Miracle Gel, which is also by Sally Hansen, and it was just like this pretty gold glitter. And then I have a Sinful Colors, which is in the name Snake It Out, which probably will not focus, but it was just such a cool color. And depending on the way you turned it, it was like a different color. So it could either be like a gold color, a reddish gold color, a more green color, orange color. So I really like that. And then the last one that I'm going to show in my favorites is just this purple glitter color, which was so cute, and I loved putting it on like my ring fingernail because I always use a different nail. And I'm not really sure with this. Oh, this is the e.l.f. brand one. It came in a package of like 25 mini nail polishes, and the words might not focus, but it's in Gina Girl. That is some of my nail polish collection. Since it's a lot of repeats, like it's literally just color coded, I didn't want to go through every nail polish in this whole section, but just to let you know, a couple of nail polish hacks is to get a shoe organizer, a hanging one, and you can hang it behind your door, and then just put your nail polishes in there. And for more organization, you can just color code them. So I have them color coded. I have my glitters, and I have my favorite section in here, and then I have like my top coats and my clears. And then I have my stuff right here. So that was just a hack that I want to show you all and share with you, just in case somebody didn't have nowhere to put anything, because you can actually use this for makeup too if you wanted to, but I have enough stuff to hold my makeup in, so that wasn't really a problem for me. But that is all for this video. I really hope I helped you out or just gave you some type of idea as to what you can do with different stuff, or just like you might have a random one of these in your house. Like this was so random. Please click the bell if you want to receive notifications for every time I post, so that you can continue getting beauty videos and advice videos or etc. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. In the last 20 seconds of my video, you can click my picture and you can automatically click subscribe. So please do that. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.